Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to focus on stem and leaf diagram. Our main inquiry question is to draw and interpret a stem and leaf diagram. Now, once we've drawn a stem and leaf diagram, we're going to calculate the median and range from the stem and leaf diagram. Stem and leaf diagram is one way of grouping data into classes and showing the shape of the data. So it's a visual representation as well as good way of organizing data. We all know median is a middle number in a sorted ascending or descending list of numbers, and range, which is a measure of spread, is calculated by finding the difference between the lowest and the highest values. The answers last lesson are found in slide 2. In slide 4 you have the 5 for 5 starter. Please attempt them on a piece of paper or in your exercise book. Press pause now and attempt them. Once completed, go to slide 5 for your answers. Let's look at how to draw stem and leaf diagram. Now I've listed some of the steps which are useful to draw stem and leaf diagram. First, put the first digits of each piece of number data in numerical order down the left hand side. Go through each piece of data in turn and put the remaining digits in the correct order. Redraw, putting the piece of data in numerical order and add a key. Let's use an example and go through the instructions. Here are the marks gained by 30 students in an exam. First, we need to show them in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Then we need to calculate the median and range. An ordered stem and leaf, it's usually 3 marks. So you can see how the marks are distributed. All the data has to be ordered. You don't miss any values and you include a key. So each and every criteria will be providing you a mark. Now the first digit, as I mentioned earlier, becomes the stem. The lowest value is 40 and the highest value is 81. So if you look at it, 4 becomes your starting point of the stem and it ends at 8. Now we're going to go through each and every piece of data, cross them and place them in the relevant places. The first number is 63. We go to stem 6 because the first digit is 6 and 3 becomes your leaf. Similarly, we cross the rest of it and we plot them. Now once you have crossed and placed all the values, you need to redraw the diagram underneath ordering the leaves. Take the first one, the leaves are in order 0, 4, 7, 9. I will reorder them in ascending order. We didn't miss any values. The leaves are on the right order. It will give us 2 marks. Now we need to calculate. We need to make sure we have the key. So the key Easier way to write is take the first one, 4/0 represents 40 marks. The key helps us to interpret the stem and leaf diagram. Now we have shown the data in ordered stem and leaf diagram. Now we're going to calculate the median and the range. We already have an ordered stem and leaf diagram. I'm going to actually start working out the range first, which is quite easier, and then go to the median. The largest value is 81. Do apologize. It's not highlighted correctly, but you can see the highest value, the largest value is 81. The lowest value is 40, and the range is 81 take away 40, which is 41 marks. Calculate the median. I go use the crossing technique. Cross 0, which is the first value in the leaf, and I cross 1. Notice I use a falling and a leading diagonal to differentiate, so I'm not confused. If I cross 4, crossing 1, 7, 0, 9. Notice I will be going backwards, which is 6, 2, because I would be going forwards at one end and backwards at the other end to find the middle value. Cross 2, so I'm going to cross 5, 3, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 7, 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9, 5. Notice I'm going forwards at one end and backwards at the other end. 1, 5, 1, 4. Notice there are two middle values. In this case, they're both 3. If they're different values, you need to find an average of them by adding them, dividing by 2. So the median is 63 marks. The median is 63 marks. Using this as a reference, can you please attempt the questions in the next remaining slides? Once you've completed, open the worksheet. Says stem and leaf diagram. Open the worksheet, say stem and leaf diagram, and complete the worksheet and attach the completed worksheet with the assignment. As usual, if you have any questions, do let me know.